Alright, so let's talk about AI. For a while now it's been this futuristic concept, something you see in movies or read in novels. But now it's not just a concept, it's a tool. It's showing up everywhere, especially in the world of software development. Think of it less like a robot coming to take over, and more like a new, incredibly smart teammate joining the squad. This isn't about a sudden replacement of human developers. Instead, it's a fundamental shift in how software is created, tested, and maintained. Automated testing and maintenance are becoming part of the life cycle. From the biggest tech giants down to the smallest startups, AI is being integrated across the industry. We're not talking sentient machines, we mean sophisticated algorithms and models built to handle specific tasks. These tools analyze massive amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even generate human-like text or code. They're being built directly into the development environments you use every day. The goal is to augment developers, not replace them. One of the most immediate impacts of AI in software is automating coding tasks. This is where you see productivity gains. Developers used to write repetitive boilerplate all the time. AI tools like GitHub Copilot can handle that heavy lifting. Write a comment describing the function you need. The AI generates the code for you. It's often a solid starting point that can save hours. Beyond writing code, AI helps with debugging and testing. AI can generate unit tests and scan for vulnerabilities before release. It can scan thousands of lines in seconds, highlight anomalies, and even suggest fixes, speeding up development and improving quality. Productivity gains lower the barrier to entry. Newer developers ramp up faster. Seniors offload routine work and focus on system design, mentoring, and innovation. Example, building a mobile feature. Before you read docs, write auth, parse JSON manually. Today, describe the process to an AI assistant and it can generate about 80% of the integration. You review and integrate the rest. The whole team becomes more efficient, working smarter with better tools. These are tangible productivity multipliers, but they also raise important workforce questions. With every major technological shift, there's a natural concern about job displacement. Some routine tasks that junior developers once handled can now be automated. That doesn't necessarily mean fewer jobs. It often means restructuring and new roles emerging. Teams now include people focused on designing, managing, and operating AI systems. Demand for machine learning engineers, people who train and fine-tune models, has skyrocketed. Data scientists analyze datasets and build evaluation metrics. New roles like prompt engineers specialize in communicating with models to get better outputs. These jobs require a wider skill set: statistics, algorithms, data structures, plus engineering for scale. Upskilling is critical. Online ML courses, cloud certifications, and hands-on experimentation matter. The landscape rewards adaptability. Developers who learn AI tools become more valuable. History shows technology transforms jobs rather than eliminates them entirely. Think spreadsheets for accountants. Students and veterans alike should embrace the change, learning the new skills required to thrive. Practical projects, certifications, and regular experimentation will separate the most valuable developers. As AI integrates deeper, we can't ignore the ethical questions. These are big conversations that need to happen in teams and at companies. If models are trained on biased data, their outputs, including code or decisions, can be discriminatory. Who is responsible when an AI-powered system causes harm? The developer, the company, or the data provider? Intellectual property is another gray area. If AI generates code, who owns it? Many models train on open-source code. Is the output derivative? These issues require new frameworks, accountability, transparency, and clear company guidelines. For professionals and students, cultivate lifelong learning, treat AI as a collaborator, and sharpen uniquely human skills. Focus on critical thinking, creativity, complex problem-solving, and system-level design, skills that amplify AI, not compete with it. AI is reshaping the industry, automating tasks and creating opportunities. It's evolution, not instant replacement. For those who learn and adapt, the future of software development augmented by AI looks incredibly bright. Summary: adopt AI tools, upskill continuously, and push for ethical practices. Subscribe for more insights.